Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Rip, rip, ripping away, baby. The market up 1.5% on the day. E-mini S&P 500 up to 7740, up 111 points. Look at this. The VIX is at 16.28. Dale, what did in the 15s yesterday? So VIX elevated on a day up. What does that happen? Did we say 27% of the time? So it doesn't happen often. AD is high. Look at this, making highs of the day. Rip, rip, rip. Every time you see a little green dot, that means the AD made a high of the day. AD is 133. AD high 137. So we were up there at it. AD low negative 134. Look at the NASDAQ up 2.75, up 797 points. Tell me it ain't so. We are up, up and away. Now, the big green monster that we drew yesterday. Look at this, Brandy. It said Bobby drew a resistance line at 77.14, but we don't give a rip. It was what we call a gap and go. Now, interesting enough, if you study these things, what normally happens, okay, this is what we call a trend day. A trend day is a opening gap. It does not fill the gap within the first hour, and then a continuation of the move. So this is the 20% of days are, because I like to think in probabilities, are trend days. And then today is a trend day. Now, what you normally find on a trend day is the last 30 minutes. You normally find a little bit of a pullback on a trend day, or not necessarily a pullback on all trend days, because some trend days are down, but you normally see a reversal coming somewhere at the end of the day. That's what we would anticipate today, and may be coming to fruition because why? We see at the 0% line, we see the 77.74 as resistance. We are overbought for the fair value zone below, which means this may be just a little overdone. Doesn't mean it can't run up a little bit more, but again, maybe a little bit of pullback into the last 30 minutes, last hour of the day. How is our crude oil going? Hey, I like it a lot, y'all. We were 79 yesterday. We're down $4.42, down 5.5%. I like it a lot because now President Trump has said for the 17th time that this war, the 5-week war, which has turned into the 5-month war, and you remember I told you it would be a 5-year war, it's whatever. You can't reason with these people. You can't sign treaties with these people. These people are animals. I'm not talking about the great Persian people of Iran. I'm talking about their leadership. These guys do not lying and deceit is part of their DNA. You can't trust them. So we don't actually trust this at 75.93, right? We're overdone. We're down below the value area low, 77.67. While I would love to see this go down, ladies and gentlemen, you know what the play is. The play is a back to 93. I hate it. I don't want it to happen. And maybe we do go in the 60s because I have been wrong before. But this just looks well overblown and maybe a good opportunity if you'd like to get long crude oil. How would you do it? You could buy a call out a few weeks, right? You could do that. Or you could get along the futures, which I would probably not do because those things are fairly big. I do believe they have micro futures if you wanted to get along the futures, which would give you less exposure. But I have not really played with those in quite some time, and I don't remember them. Let's see how our rare earth minerals are doing. August has started off good. We had a good day yesterday, and today, look at this. And we thought it was over. Look at this nice little cup and saucer. I don't know if that's cup and saucer. I'm just because I don't know these things. I just say things that sound good. But anyway, it's got a little dip and a little up, 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 and away. Go, MP, go. What do we need to happen? We need to bust higher than the 47.62. Look left. We are close. That will be a natural resistance area. Would not surprise us to see a pullback. But we need to bust that. And let's go to the moon, baby. MP doing great. How is my quadruple U's doing? Pretty nice day itself, up 4.32%, up 52 cents. Again, look left. Now, the good thing about looking left is you sit there and you go, hey, man, we busted above it. But we would think as you and I have come to know that this looking left would be a natural place of resistance, and then flipped to be support. So it is a interaction area. We know this is interaction area. What we'd love to do is see a bust above this 12.68 or so, that area, and a continuation up, but it's going to be a difficult move. We'll see if we can do that. And the formerly favorite stock of mine, Remix, having a nice day, up 5%, up $3.41 to 71.04. What do we need to do here? Well, we're a little stretched here above the value area high of 69.31. We would love to see a test of the 72.42, probably a little bit of a pullback, and then a bust above if we are going to continue doing what we want these things to do. Finally, a great day. When's the last time you seen us up $900 or so on the day? We're up $943, and we are happy about that. Our deltas are positive, our theta is positive, and our vega showing in again at just nothing. It was 0 yesterday. It's 1 today. I still doubt that number. I would think we'd have negative vega because we are option sellers, even though our theta is low, and we need a good down day in order to to get that going. Let's see. I said yesterday we'd probably get a pullback, didn't I? Did we get that yesterday? Let me see. Let me do the 2 day, 2 days. 2 days. There was yesterday. Then let's go back over here. This is a 1 minute chart. Did we ever get a pullback yesterday? We really didn't, did we? No. We met around what time we met yesterday? We met around 12 o'clock and just kind of a glide up. Never really got the pullback that I thought we might get. I am wrong sometimes, ladies and gentlemen. It don't happen much, but sometimes it does. So look at this, up, up, and away. Again, what do we anticipate today? Probably going into the close, a little bit of a pullback. Doesn't have to be much. Let's see, did we get any signals today? I've been on the phone with doctors and dentists and all healthcare professionals and all kinds of stuff. So I haven't been looking, nothing look like anything. 2 days in a row, we hadn't got anything on the big green monster. Or oh no, the big green. I got to get Brandy the big green monster. All right, so okay, we're fine, we're fine, we're fine. So everything looks good. Great day in the market. We're finally positive again after being up $7,000. The rare earth minerals have taken us down. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. I love you to pieces, and I will see you tomorrow. And I will immediately post this video today, and I will try to get Brandy the video from yesterday. Love y'all. See y'all tomorrow. Bye bye.